How's it, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, a very triple welcome to you. So guys, we're going to talk love at first sniffs today, and I'm going to talk about most of the perfumes in my collection that was a love at first sniff for me, not all of them. And I'm not going to go into deep into the notes and all of those things because I actually intend to do, individual perfume videos of all of my perfumes and keep it under 5 minutes, which is goals, guys. I don't know if I'll be able to do it because, as you know, I can talk too much. But let's get into this video and we'll see, what my first impressions and my first thoughts was when I first smelled these fragrances. So love at first sniff number 1 is Choo EDP, guys, and this is the bottle. I think this is the 40 ml bottle. I'm unsure now, but I actually, bought the little mini set of Jimmy Choo, which included the little mini of the EDP, which is this one. And guys, the first time I smelled this, I was, whoa, this is truly different. I was blown away. Because, it had that beautiful pear in there. And then, it's probably has its florals in there. I would love to think that it might have some green notes. And then, but, the base notes is just where the magic happens. That patchouli playing with that beautiful toffee note, it just creates this beautiful scent on my skin. I know there's other people that don't like this fragrance at all, and it's probably due to the patchouli. I don't mind the patchouli at all, but this was just something so different and something that I absolutely fell in love with the first time I smelled it. So very happy to own this one, and I'm sure it will be a love for a long time for me. Second love at first sniff is this one, guys, and this is a very affordable gem. Oh my goodness, guys, this is Agent Provocateurs Fatale Intense. And the first time when I smelled this was actually a blind buy for me. I just have to smell this quickly. This I was like, whoa, this is so damn sexy. It's beautiful. It's a little bit spicy. It has a beautiful licorice note in there, leather, amber, vanilla. It smells so yummy and sexy and just intoxicating. I am absolutely just blown away by this fragrance, especially for the price point. It does not smell cheap to me at all. It doesn't smell cheap. It actually smells very expensive and very sexy. My husband absolutely adores this fragrance as well. And, I love the bottle as well. It just goes perfectly with the scent. Truly a beautiful, affordable gem. Next love at first sniff is this one, and this is of course Mugler Aura, guys. I actually blind bought this, and the reason why I did that is because if you know me by now, you will know that I have an obsession and a love affair with Decadence. And people compared this to Decadence, saying that it can be, considered the summer, more warmer weather version of Decadence. And even though they are on the same vibe, I think they are quite different perfumes. The first time when I smelled this, guys, I was transported. Let me just try it again. I was transported to a fairy tale, an enchanted forest, green forest, This is a beautiful green vanilla with the woody notes in there. It's very intoxicating. It's those type of perfumes where you would say, wow, that is so unique and so different and so special. Usually when I wear this, guys, people will ask me, what is that? So you can obviously tell that it's a very unique fragrance. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Next love at first sniff is this one, guys, and this is Roberto Cavalli's Gemma di Paradiso. Guys, first of all, the bottle is just so stunning. This was a blind buy for me, and I actually blind bought this on recommendation of Amber Chantal and Anna Absolue, and I was just so pleasantly surprised by this fragrance. Guys, this is just so beautiful. It's vanilla, it's pear, it's woody notes. And the woody notes, I'm not sure if it's the woody notes that actually turns smoky on you. So this is a tricky one, but it's a pleasant surprise when it turns all smoky on you. Absolutely love it. It's almost like a little bit of incensey, but I was so blown away by this the first time I smelled it, and the first time I tried it out on my skin. I was like, wow, this truly is stunning. This truly is sunset in a bottle, like one of my subscribers mentioned. Because it just gives off that warm summer beach sunset in the evening vibes, where you have this fire on the beach and the bonfire on the beach. It's just so beautiful and stunning. It's also being compared to Good Girl, Carolina Herrera's Good Girl, but I actually prefer this one over that one. They are in the same vibe, but they are different fragrances to me. Next, love it first sniff is this one. This is, of course, Mugler Womanity, guys. This was not a blind buy. I actually bought the little mini beforehand. And the first time I smelled this, I was like, oh, wow, what is that? This is just so different and unique. And, you know, I don't own any other fig fragrances, and I haven't smelled any fig fragrances before this one. So I was totally just flabbergasted. And the beautiful jammy fig with that salty dry down is just so stunning on the skin. And, you know, the sillage and projection is just beast mode. My husband absolutely loved this fragrance. And, you know, it was just a stunning love it first sniff for me, really, guys. Next love it first sniff is, of course, Leap by YSL, guys. Oh, man, guys, this one was not a blind buy as well. This I actually got a sample from the Cosmopolitan. Let me just remind myself. Oh, man, guys, this is just so stunning. This is a white floral. It has, you know, the citrus opening, and then it has that beautiful lavender in there. The lavender is just so gorgeous to me in this fragrance. You know, it has a little bit of fruity notes in there, and then it has the woody notes in there as well. And the first time I smelled this, I was like, wow, money. This just smells so expensive. And my daughter was like, yes, mommy, it does smell expensive. And, you know, it just smells like what the bottle looks like, guys. It truly is just a stunning fragrance. Next, love it first sniff is this little mini, guys, and I haven't gotten around to buy myself a bigger bottle, but I intend to. This is, of course, Paco Rabanne's Olympéa. This is a beautiful, you know, vanilla salty fragrance with woody notes in there. I think it has cashmere wood in there. Guys, this is just such a smooth, salty vanilla fragrance. The dry down is just gorgeous on my skin. When I smelled this the first time, I was like, wow, this is just so smooth and so delicious smelling. And the sweetness of that vanilla just does it for me, guys. It's also very expensive smelling to me, to my nose as well. So it was a very beautiful, yummy, smooth fragrance. And I really have to, you know, buy myself the bigger bottle as soon as possible. Next love at first sniff is of course Alien Essence Absolute. I did an unboxing and a first impressions on this one. I will link the video in the description down below, guys. Oh my goodness, this is just such a stunning fragrance, guys. The first time I smelled this, I was totally in love. I was blown away. It's just so beautiful. It's alien, but you know, with that incense and that myrrh and that or more of an oriental vibe and a smokiness to it, with that beautiful, beautiful vanilla in the dry down. And guys, the reason I think why I'm loving this one so much is because it has the original alien DNA in it. You know, I have the reformulated Mugler version of Alien, not the Thierry Mugler one. And I can tell you there's definitely a difference in the two, guys. The Mugler one is a little bit more soapier than the original Alien by Thierry Mugler. So the fact that it's in this fragrance, I really, really do appreciate it. And I actually prefer this one over my Alien. But this is just such a gem. I am so sad that it's discontinued, and I could kick myself because I got a 30ml bottle, so I'll have to use this sparingly. But I'm looking into getting maybe, you know, a top up on this before it completely disappears. But guys, this is just so beautiful. Such a beautiful take on Alien. I absolutely adored this the first time I smelled it. Last but not least, love at first sniff. Guys, this is the love of my perfume life, and it will probably remain that way for a very, very long time, if not lifelong. This is, of course, Marc Jacobs Decadence, guys. The first time I smelled this. Let me just try and get this lid open because I just want to smell it now and just remind myself. Man, this is just so intoxicating, so beautiful, so gorgeous. This is plum, this is vetiver, this is Bulgarian rose, this is amber, this is a little bit of green notes with that papyrus in there. Guys, and I am just so obsessed and in love with this fragrance. The first time I smelled this, I was completely just stunned, blown away. I was flabbergasted, I was in awe, and to date I have not sniffed any other perfume that blew me away like this one the first time I smelled it. I have yet to, you know, smell another perfume that could top that first, you know, love at first sniff for me. And I need to get a bigger bottle of this. I used this very sparingly last winter so that it can, you know, I can still use it this winter, but I'll have to get 100ml because this is a 30ml bottle. This will forever and always be in my collection because it's so intoxicating. It's so beautiful. It's just me in a bottle, guys. This fragrance is me in a bottle. And I am so impressed with this fragrance. I think Marc Jacobs did an excellent job with this fragrance, and I'm hoping and praying that it will never be discontinued because, you know, they like doing that to us, guys. So I'm just praying that that will never happen. But this is just stunning, guys. Every time I wear this, I feel so beautiful. I feel elegant. I feel gorgeous. I feel like a boss. And people always compliment me on this fragrance. That's the video for today, guys. Please let me know in the comments down below which ones of the perfumes you own was a love at first sniff for you. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Click that notification bell so that you know when I upload new videos. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for always supporting, for commenting. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.